The following portion of Showcase is sponsored by Renew Health and Wellness. Renew Health and Wellness is all about feeling healthy inside and out with a wide variety of services like hormone therapy, weight loss, Botox, and skin rejuvenating treatments to help you feel your best. Here to tell us all about how Renew Health and Wellness is spreading cheer this season is sales consultant Linda Wesley. Welcome to Showcase.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, good to see you. And talk about this virtual open house that you're hosting.
Yes, so on November the 13th at 6:30, we are having the biggest event that we do every year. It's our live virtual open house event. And during this event, we're going to be discussing our natural hormone replacement therapy, our Clean Start weight loss program, an array of aesthetic services, and really just get the word out to the general public of everything that we can do to help them feel better.
Yeah, and I love that it's virtual. So for busy wives, moms, whatever you may have going on this holiday season, because it can get a little hectic, this is virtual, so it's really easy to take part.
Yes.
What can attendees expect to see at the event?
So for the event, they're going to be listening to our real patients give their honest testimonials of how Renew has helped them to get their lives back. They're going to hear from our providers and also just kind of get a behind the scenes look of Renew Health and Wellness and the staff, and hear live testimonials of how awful people felt before they came and just how great that they felt afterwards.
I feel like the transformation that so many of your patients have experienced is just amazing to hear about. Is this something that people can participate in, or are they going to just be kind of watching presentations most of the time?
So no, this is not a boring presentation that you just watch for an hour. No, this is interactive. So throughout the whole event, we will have a live chat box where you can type and ask questions, and we do our best to answer as much as possible.
Yeah.
But then also throughout the whole event, we're going to be doing live raffle drawings. So on this night only, on November the 13th at 6:30, we're going to be giving away over $8,000 worth of treatments.
That is
awesome. You do not want to miss this event. It's live, it's interactive, and you can watch from the comfort of your home.
That is amazing. And talk a little bit more about the treatments that you're going to be sharing with those who tune in.
Certainly. So we're going to go into detail of our natural hormone replacement therapy, our Clean Start weight loss program, array of aesthetic services ranging from treatments that get rid of wrinkles, dark spots, laser hair removal, and really just showcasing how we can restore your body both inside and out.
Yeah, and that is so important. We have to take time for self-care, and it's not just for the women but also for the men too, to definitely take advantage of those things. Are there any exclusive offers or reasons that someone should make sure they tune in on this particular night?
Yes, no, this is the night you do not want to miss, and just for watching off the bat you get $50 of Renew Bucks. So it's a $50 discount that you can apply to any of our services, and then we are going to have the biggest discounts on our services this night as well. So huge savings, and then of course also, as long as you're watching, your name gets put in the hat for the live raffle drawings where you could potentially win something for free.
That is awesome. You gotta love free stuff, folks. And how does someone register?
So it's very simple, and this event, I want to stress, is for everyone. You do not have to be a patient, but you just have to go to our website at renewmetoday.com, and there will be a link for you to click on to register, and then we'll send you an email, and then you can watch from the comfort of your home.
I love it. Thank you so much for joining me. It's so great to have you on Showcase. And again, the holidays are before us, so take some time for some self-care and do it with Renew Health and Wellness. Again, they're offering over $8,000 in giveaways. That is incredible. It's going on at their event, so you can head on over to renewmetoday.com to register for their holiday open house. Again, it's on November 13th. Pop it on the calendar. You definitely want to take advantage of it. As we talked about, so many different things you can take part of, and that raffle will be going on as well. The preceding portion of Showcase was sponsored by Renew Health and Wellness.